ARCAN Waterproof, your specialist for waterproofing and innovative products. We deliver systems and materials for waterproof buildings. Are you looking for the perfect injection resin? Welcome to the world of HydroBloc injection. HydroBloc foam resin. Easy, safe, waterproof. Typical applications of HydroBloc 510 Microfoam are heavy water stop, cavity filling, and pebble stabilization. In this presentation, we demonstrate the HydroBloc 510, a fast-reacting microfoam for water stops. HydroBloc 510 is a low viscosity and easy to inject. We prepared an exact measured amount for the demonstration. Additionally, we need accelerator HydroCat 514 and water as reaction starter, both already prepared in small cups. First, we mix basic resin and activator. The foam is now activated and no longer storage stable. It should be used promptly. The reaction hasn't started yet. The material is now ready for injection. The application could be done with a single component pump. Now we add water to the mixture. The material changes from honey color to light yellow. This signals the start of the reaction process. The starting time is 15 seconds after water contact. After that, the foam rises for at least 50 seconds until it reaches its final size. The foam ratio is 40. This means we achieve from 1 liter resin 40 liters foam. This is an excellent ratio. The result is a tough elastic foam which keeps its shape. HydroBloc 510 is processed with a single component pump, which will be cleaned afterwards with the high-efficient solvent Hydrosolv 520. The foam is already cured properly and reached its final strength. You see, there is no shrinkage. The foam quality is excellent. The foam is fine and close-celled. For better demonstration, we cut the sample. HydroBloc 510 is named rightfully Microfoam because the expertly developed foam structure characterizes a real microfoam. Have a look yourself. HydroBloc Microfoam is a one-component PU foam with a high foam ratio, with close cell structure and no shrinkage. Past injection. All water stop foams need past injection to create a permanent sealing. We recommend the following materials for past injection: HydroBloc 575 Integral, HydroBloc PU 500, HydroBloc PU 506, HydroBloc Inject 583. ARCAN Waterproof, always one step ahead. Do you want to know more about our products? Do you have questions? Speak to us. Our team in Germany is always ready to support you. Visit our website under www.arcan.biz.